Every smartphone is carefully assembled and tested to meet strict quality standards.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Train 82 arriving. Set it on station 3. Wafer looks clean. No pits.
Glass panels clear, mark it A-1.
Aluminum frame in spec. Tolerance .02.
Good. Sending it down line.
Calibration drift on line 3, 0.6% below target.
Running compensation, adjusting feed voltage now.
Stabilizing, and we're back at 99.2.
Good, holding steady.
In these sealed chambers, beams of light carve patterns only a few atoms deep, turning bare silicon into intricate circuitry. Gold wires are bonded, less than a human hair in diameter, creating pathways for signals measured in billionths of a second. Each layer is deposited, tested,
Every smartphone is carefully assembled and tested to meet strict quality standards.
Every smartphone is thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory. Next.
From the first precisely placed chipset to pristine displays to the final hardware checks, every step is about accuracy. Tested, packaged, and queued for shipping, each phone leaves this line ready for someone's pocket. And that's how smartphones are made.